Hi, and I want to let you know that you are writing your answers wrong. And if you're going to give your class 10 boards right now, or whether any of the exams, then I want to tell you that what mistakes you should not make and what you are doing right now is completely wrong and you must not do in board exams. Hi, I'm Avika and I scored 98.4% in my class 10 CBC board exams. Before you question the thumbnail, let me tell you 3 tips for it. First of all, if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, decide the time slots that you're going to talk in. Secondly, decide the goals for the days. And third, be supportive for each other. Now let's move towards the main topic, which is how do we kill our boards? Now, if you will listen carefully and follow the tips that I tell you, then I promise you're going to smash your board exams really, really well. Okay, so first of all, handwriting and presentation matter a lot. It overall creates an impression of your answer sheet towards the examiner because तुम्हारी गंदी आंसर शीट देख एग्जामिनर को ऑब्वियसली ये लगेगा कि इस बच्चे को आंसर नहीं आता होगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू हैव अ बैड हैंड राइटिंग, अभी से सुधारना स्टार्ट कर दो. राइट लॉट ऑफ पेजेस एवरी डे, इम्प्रूव योर हैंड राइटिंग, अदरवाइज बोर्ड्स में तुम्हारे नंबर जाने वाले हैं बेटा. इसलिए स्टार्ट स्टडिंग एंड राइट क्लियरली. लेजिबल होनी चाहिए तुम्हारी राइटिंग, पढ़ने में समझ आनी चाहिए, दैट काइंड ऑफ. ओके, सेकंड विच इज़ अंडरलाइनिंग कीवर्ड्स, टाइम लाइन्स, टाइम फ्रेम्स. इंग्लिश में भी अगर इट इज़ वेरी वेरी प्रिफर टू राइट द ऑथर्स नेम इवन दो इट्स नॉट एज. In 3 mark question, 6 mark question, write the author's or the poet's name and then underline it so that it creates a better impression and also shows the examiner कि भाई तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. So you will definitely score good marks with that. Underline the key timelines, keywords, whatever you have written there, especially for SST in history. And for science, put the chemical reactions in a box. Thirdly, which is use the last page of your answer sheet as a rough page for science and maths both. Do not draw columns beside your answer sheet on the right side of your answer sheet because no examiner sees or goes through the rough calculations. Just go for the last page. It is more convenient to use and there is more space, so you're going to be comfortable studying and solving questions on that one. Fourth, which is writing section A, section B, section C with blue pen but underlining with pencil. You can only use blue pen and pencil. Ball pen, not gel pens are not allowed in your board exams, so do not use a gel pen even if your handwriting is bad with the ball pen. Start writing with a nice handwriting. Do not miss out on steps in your answers in maths and physics because steps की marks मिलते हैं, step wise marking होती है. Write given to prove solution. Always write the formula and draw a box around it so that it's highlighted. And also draw flowcharts or diagrams wherever asked for or wherever you know कि यहाँ पे flowchart draw कर सकते हैं even though not asked. Still to show effort. Okay. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर आंसर शीट गो थ्रू इट अगैन क्योंकि कोई ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स हो सकती हैं, कुछ हो सकता है तुमने बहुत स्टूपिड मिस्टेक कर दी हो. एंड अंडरलाइन एंड ड्रॉ लाइन्स बिटवीन टू आंसर्स टू मेक योर आंसर शीट लुक मोर बेटर, नीट एंड प्रेजेंटेबल. एंड फाइनली राइट थैंक यू टू शो कि तुम्हारा हो गया. एंड ऑल्सो ड्रॉ डायगोनल लाइन ऑन द रफ पेज दैट यू हैव यूज सो दैट द एग्जामिनर नोज कि ये तुम्हें रफ के लिए ही किया था. और ऑल्सो राइट हेडिंग ऑन दैट रफ पेज कि रफ है ये. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, MCQs में एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देना है. नो एग्जामिनर केयर्स अबाउट द एफर्ट दैट यू पुटिंग इन द MCQs. दे जस्ट नीड द फाइनल आंसर. सो जस्ट राइट द ऑप्शन ABCD एंड द आंसर आफ्टर दैट XYZ सो एंड सो. उसके बाद में सेकेंडली विच इज़ इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट एक्स्ट्रा लिखने पे मार्क्स कटेंगे, नहीं, एक्स्ट्रा लिखने के किसी के मार्क्स नहीं कटते हैं. यू कैन राइट हाउ मच यू वॉन्ट. And third, which is a misconception, is about the pens, which is gel pen or ball pen. You can only use blue ball pen and pencil in your exam. No highlighter, no black pen for highlighting. Otherwise, तुम्हारी answer sheet cancel कर दी जाएगी. It won't be allowed. Use and follow all the tips from CBSE's guidelines. Do not go for any random videos that do not show some proof. CBSE की बाकी CB guidelines you'll get in the description. You can also read it from there or search it on Google for yourself. Also, whenever attempting two or both of the questions from a choice wala question, then you must know that in the question in which you are scoring more marks, you will be awarded for that. For example, there was a choice between question A and B and I did both of them. So I'll be awarded marks for the one जिसमें मेरे को ज़्यादा नंबर बन रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो you can definitely solve all the questions in हिंदी, English, grammar. जितने भी choices है, अगर 12 में से 10 करने हैं, do all 12. You will be awarded for the correct 10. This is how CBSE works. You can check the official guidelines for it. That was it for this video. If you want to see my answer sheet, the link is going to be in the description. Do not miss out on it. And I guess that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Like, subscribe and share.